Hello everyone, so this is Neeja and I am back with the second part of the topic articles. So in the previous video we have covered up the use of articles a and an, and in this class we will be learning how to use, where to use article the, and sometimes we also call it the. So that also I will explain you where to use the and where to use the. So let us focus on the rules because these rules are very important while using these articles. Okay, so what is the first rule? Article the is used before definite noun. Now, what is definite noun? Definite noun means something specific. When we are talking about something specific, we use article the. When we know about what we are talking. Suppose if we go to a shop, there is a toy shop, and if I want any random toy, then I will say kindly give me a car. But if I want a specific one, if I want the red color one, yes, the red color one, then I will say kindly give me the red car, because I know which toy I want, which toy about which I am talking. Okay, so definite noun, article the is used before definite noun. The second rule is it is used for both singular and plural nouns. So it can be one or many. The word before which we are using it can be more than one also. And the third rule is article the is used before the verse when it is used for the second time. So let me explain you with one example. Okay, can you see here? I saw a car. What is this? I have written I saw a car. So first time I have used article a because it's a consonant sound. But when I am talking about the car in the sentence for the second time, then I will not use article a or an, then I will use article the. So let us read it. I saw a car, the car was red. So here I have used the car. Now let me tell you why I am saying the. The we say when the word before which we are placing begins with a consonant sound. If the word is beginning with a vowel sound, we say the. For example, I ate an apple. I ate an apple. The apple was very sweet. I ate an apple. So first time when I am talking about apple, I said I ate an apple because it's beginning with a vowel sound. But the second time when I am using article, I am using the apple because I am repeating it. It's coming for the second time. And I will here say the apple because it's a vowel sound. So when we are using it before a consonant sound, we say the, and when we are using it before a vowel sound, we say the. So this is also a very important rule that when it is being introduced for the second time, usually we use article the. And when we talk about something unique, like something which is only one, like the sun, the moon, okay, the universe. So in all these cases also we use article the. So now I will explain you with the help of few more examples. Okay, so let's see few examples. So as I said that the is used before the things which are unique. So what is this? This is sun. So what we will going to write? The sun. The sun, as it is beginning with a consonant sound, so we say the sun. Moon, again the moon. Now what is it? So we use article the before any rivers, oceans and all this. So this is Indian Ocean. So when I said Indian, it is beginning with a vowel sound. So I will say the Indian Ocean. Okay? And Arabian Sea, again it is beginning with a vowel sound. So the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. It's a consonant sound. You got it right. So we will be using the Pacific Oceans. So children, now you have understood that article the is used before the words which are unique and which are usually repeated in a sentence. So when we are talking about a noun which is coming for the second time, we usually use article the. And we use article the also for newspapers like the Hindu, the Economic Times, the Indian Express or any other newspapers. And also for countries we don't use the, but there are only few countries before which we use article the, and that is the United States of America or the Soviet Union. Basically the countries which have one name we don't use article the, but the countries which have two names we are using article the. So these are certain basic rules which if you keep in mind, you will be easily able to use article a and the properly. Okay? So keep these in mind. See you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.